Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to check your Trust wallet for clean funds in just a couple of minutes, so you don't risk getting your exchange account blocked or your crypto frozen. Let's break it down in simple terms. Whenever you receive crypto, especially from people you barely know, through P2P deals, airdrops, or friends of friends, you never really know where those coins came from. If they have been involved in shady activity like money laundering, darknet trades, or scams, exchanges like Binance, OKX, or Bybit can instantly freeze your account. Before running the check, I transferred all of my funds and left only some TRX to cover network and verification fees. You don't need to keep every token in the wallet to check it. The report will include your transaction history anyway. We'll go to amlbot.org. I will leave the link in the comments below. There are plenty of similar tools, but I choose this one because it's one of the top international services. Lets you pay per check, no subscription fees, and has solid ratings. I will walk you through the key points of the service. The site has a high trust score on the major review platforms, lots of clients and partners, and also offers business verification and blockchain investigation services, all certified to international standards. A single wallet check starts around 20 cents, but one-time check usually costs about $3. Alright, let's start. Click Check Your Wallet on the top of the site. Choose the network, in my case it's Tron. Select the token, USDT, and connect your wallet. I'm using Trust Wallet. After confirming the connection, you will be redirected back to the website. Wait for it to load, then return to your wallet to confirm the payment for the verification fee. Once it's paid, go back to the website to download your report. The report is ready, just hit download. It's 7 pages long, but everything important is right on the first page. As you can see, no risks were detected, even though there were 52 transactions on this wallet. My wallet isn't listed in any blacklist, and that's the main thing that matters. The rest of the report includes risk management points and valuations. You can read yourself the info regarding AML check. Let's go back to the wallet and see how much was charged. Let's refresh Trust Wallet. And yep, about $3 of TRX was deducted for the check. That's it for today, guys. If you successfully check your wallet, drop a like, share your experience in the comments, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.